Now let's do a check on how Wall Street did overnight. Stocks rose for a third day on economic gains. Data on manufacturing added to evidence the recession may be ending. AIG also expects to repay the government. There you have the closing numbers on your screen, checking how U.S. markets may open later today. Futures pointing to a lower open. Now, discount retailer Dollar General, backed by a powerful private equity firm KKR, has filed for an initial public offering. Michelle McCory is on top of that story. Michelle.
You know, Husty, we're talking about the weather earlier, and I can certainly attest it has been exceptionally hot here in New York, and it seems like the IPO market is also heating up. In fact, this could be one of the largest IPOs of the year and among the biggest exits through a public stock offering by a private equity firm since the credit crunch sapped investor appetite for new offerings. Dollar General, that's the discount retailer owned by private equity firm KKR, has filed to raise as much as $750 million in an IPO. Now, KKR, which took the firm private back in 2007, will serve as one of the main underwriters, along with Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, and JP Morgan. Now, the company says it expects to pay a special dividend of $200 million to exiting shareholders prior to the offering. Now, Dollar General did not specify the exact timing of the IPO in the filing. Huss?
Hey, Michelle, that heat there has done you good. I see a very nice tan. By the way, KKR has been involved in a successful IPO this year, right? I mean, this is a big deal for the company.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of stake here, and you're absolutely right. On August 5th, the semiconductor maker Avago Technologies, which is backed by KKR, raised $745 million in its IPO, and the shares there have gained 18% since the debut, up 8% in the last 2 weeks. And a successful IPO is particularly important for KKR, which is itself looking to join rival Blackstone Group in becoming a publicly traded company through a complex transaction that involves combining with its Amsterdam-listed fund, KKR Private Equity Investors. Now, Haas, the U.S. IPO market has been obviously rather quiet this year, given the economic condition. And so far, there have been 15 initial public offerings of U.S. companies, raising $4.13 billion. That's according to Bloomberg data. And that compares with 36 new issues, pulling in $29.5 billion in the same period last year. But we could see that trend beginning to change with more investor optimism coming back. Huss?
Michelle, thank you.